I'm turning left now. Burn, yeah, the rubber's on my chest now.
Yo, what is up guys? I'm back with another video. So as you guys know, we got a new project, 1971 Wolseley 1300cc, and it's going pretty good. So pretty much I've got the hubcaps off it, and I'm just going to show you guys how to clean chrome pretty much. We're not fully clean or anything, but like how I usually clean chrome, usually on like the Mercedes and stuff, like all this stuff here and all that. And yeah, sometimes on the Honda as well, like that type of stuff. It's not real chrome, but on the Mercedes it is real chrome. Here are the hubcaps. So as you can tell, I mean they're good, but they can be, oh well, no, they're really dirty. So I'm actually going to give these a wash in just some soap, and they should turn out like already pretty decently clean. And then, I've only got 3 at the moment, but I'm going to order another one off Trade Me, because the car only came with 3, which kind of sucks, but whatever. So, yeah, that's all in there. But I'm pretty lucky actually to get 3 of them. Usually, like old cars like these never come with hubcaps, they always fall off or something like that. So, this one's a bit dented in, which kind of sucks. As you can tell there, I don't know if I'll try to bend that out tonight. I think I might just give it a good clean. Yeah, but these ones here are right, like they're in good condition and all that. So, yeah, let's go give these a wash, and we will take a look how good they are after that, and then we'll start polishing them. Alrighty guys, well there's the hubcaps there. They're looking pretty minty. So pretty much now all we gotta do, oh apologies for the lighting guys, we don't have lights in this place, which kind of sucks, but yeah, but anyway, pretty much what we're gonna do is just start polishing them. So I guess we're gonna try with this one first. I didn't clean them like extremely well, because honestly you don't really need to, you just need to roughly clean, I reckon. And all I'm going to do is get pretty much just a drill and just put some polish on this and just drill it and just see how well it turns out. It should turn out alright. Yeah, that one turned out pretty nice. Look at that one. Honestly guys, I don't know if I'm going to chrome this one up first. I mean, I'm not going to chrome it up at all, I think, just because I want to get rid of that dent first. I don't know if I really want to keep it. Maybe I might just get a new one, but yeah, that dent's like not me. It's just, I don't know, I don't really like it. But these two turned out perfect. Look at that. Easy, not a problem. So yeah, I didn't buy these brand new. Like this is literally the same time, same everything. So yeah, just gave them a good chrome up and everything. So yeah, it worked pretty well. But yeah, this one I think I might just leave. I might just buy a new one, buy 2 more, because I'm pretty happy with these anyway.